How to use job assignees. Assigning team members to jobs helps organize your workflow, track responsibilities, and leverage automation effectively. Job assignees are team members responsible for specific jobs within a pipeline. You can assign as many team members as needed to each job, and assignees can be changed manually or through automation. There are several ways to add job assignees. First, you can assign them directly inside a job card in the Assignees field or within a job template. Additionally, you can assign team members from the Jobs or Job Recurrences pages under the Workflow section. Once you've assigned team members to jobs, you can streamline your workflow in various ways. First, you can set the job assignee as the sender of a message or an email via automation. Toggle on Customize, then choose Job Assignee. This keeps communication coming from the team member actually doing the work. Additionally, you can assign automatically created tasks to the job assignee. This creates a direct connection between the job, the task, and the responsible team member. You can also add or remove job assignees at specific stages automatically by using the Update Job Assignees automation. Using job assignees helps you track and balance workloads. To keep work evenly distributed, regularly review how jobs are assigned to your team. From the Jobs page or the Pipeline's Kanban view, you can filter jobs by assignee to see all work assigned to a specific team member. You can also enable job assignees to appear on job cards by navigating to Pipeline Settings and toggling on the Assignees option.